Hi guys, today I managed to finish one of the projects that I wanted to do for many years. I bought the parts, I got it sent here, and it just sat around the house for many years, okay? And finally, the last 2 days I managed to complete the whole project and then install it in here. Okay, what is it? It's actually an app that allows me to control the automatic gate, the house automatic gate via a website. Okay, shortly I'm going to change into a different view where you can see me running the app. Okay, so now the app is open. Okay, and then it's got the door status at the bottom. The door status is closed, and then we just click the button to open it. Okay, you can hear the gate, and then I'll swap over to the other camera. As you can see, the gate is now opened, and I would like to spend a couple of minutes to explain to you how the device works. The device actually has a web server on it running, and it actually serves me the page where you see, allowing me to see the status of the gate, as well as allows a button for me to click open or close. I am able to only activate this whenever I'm within the Wi-Fi range or the local area network LAN. Yes, in theory, I am able to run this off the internet, but for security reason, I've not port forwarded it to the internet. So currently, it only works within the range of my house. Here, the app is open to the same page again. Once the gate is fully extended or open, the door states is open. Basically, whenever the gate is open, doesn't matter an inch or the whole gate, the state is always open. So if I click on the close button now, basically the word on the button just changes from open to close, and then you activate the gate again. Okay, you can hear the gate moving again. Okay, so the gate is closing now. It's complete closed. And I just want to say, I hope you guys find this video interesting. If you think this device should be made and mass produced for you guys to use it in your own home, just leave a comment below, or share this video with your friends who you think they should make one for their own house. Do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. That's all for today. See you guys.